Hello everybody, today we're going to try some baking and we're going to make cinnamon toast. So you need bread and some cinnamon and sugar and some butter and a toaster. And you definitely need your mom and dad to help you with the first part with the toaster. Alright, the first thing we do is we pop the toast into the toaster so that it can toast and get lovely and hot and crispy. Remember that a toaster gets very hot, so you shouldn't touch your toaster, and you must never ever put something inside a toaster like a knife to try and get the bread out. You always ask your mom to help, and the toast will pop up all by itself when it's all ready to eat. Okay, I think it's about ready. So I popped that one up, and look, they're perfect. Now the second thing that you do is that you take some butter, this is our butter, and you spread it on. Look, I'm using the sharper side of the knife to smear the butter gently on. You don't have to push very hard, and the butter will melt into the bread, into the toast. There we go. Once you've got nice butter everywhere on your slices of toast, then we're going to get to the next part. Video. Right, so our toast is all buttered and ready, and now it's time for the yummy stuff. So if your cinnamon and sugar is in a bottle like this, you must pour it carefully because you don't want too much to come out, and you just sprinkle it gently like this onto your toast. Some of it will go onto the plate, and then you can lick it up later, and it's delicious. Or otherwise, you can take it from a little bowl, and then you can sprinkle it on with a spoon. Make sure you get all the edges and the crispy, crusty parts as well. And fill it up with cinnamon and sugar because it's going to be delicious to eat. I hope you enjoy your cinnamon and sugar toast. Bye.